Say hi to Daddy.
Garen. Garen. Monkey pooper. What? What?
What you doing? You crawling on Mama? You crawling on Mama?
I want to eat your hands.
I guess so. Yeah? Ow! What? What you doing? You're up on your knees now. You gonna get up on your feet? No thanks. I'll just chill out here. Yeah, it gets that far, like to sitting, and then what are you doing?